L-eks sewwieq tal-Formula 1 Mika Häkkinen rebaħ il-kampjonati infila tal-1998 u l-1999 u għend il-McLaren jirbħu l-kampjonat tal-kostrutturi fl-1998.
And you are looking at the world champion of 1998.
Iżda minkejja dan f'kummenti lil Net Sports waqt żjara ta' ftit sigħat f'pajjiżna jiddikjara li l-isbaħ mument tal-karriera għalih kien ieħor.
I think the day when I signed the agreement with the Team Lotus, I think that day was so incredible, me to be part of Formula 1. So that was already half a victory. And of course then winning Monaco Grand Prix and winning a World Championship twice.
Minkejja l-memorji sbieħ il-Finlandiż li l-lum għandu 49 sena jgħid li ma jiddispjaċihx il-irtira.
I was in Formula 1 for 10 years. I have a kind of colorful, very tough time in Formula 1. So that 10 years was enough.
Häkkinen kien f'pajjiżna flimkien ma' leġġendi oħra tal-isport fosthom Esa Tikkanen meqjus bħala alla tal-ice hockey.
In the series, she scores! Esa Tikkanen has won it for the Oilers!
Huma kienu f'Malta fuq stadina ta' Kindred Group u immedjatament Häkkinen qal li sar iħobb lil pajjiżna.
I love it. I think it's a really beautiful place. People be very kind, and like I said, beautiful place. I have to come here for a holiday one day.
Din il-kumpanija kienet waħda minn tal-ewwel li ġabu l-liċenzja tal-gaming f'Malta lura fis-sena 2000 u lum il-ġurnata toffri fost l-aqwa kondizzjonijiet lill-impjegati tagħha iktar u iktar issa illi fetħet uffiċċji ġodda mifruxa fuq 3 solari f'Tinje.
We have 500 desks here, so we have room to grow, and it's spread out over 5,200 square meters on 3 floors here at Tinje Point.